There are four people in my family: my parents, my younger sister, and I. My father is a 45-year-old engineer. He spends most of his time in the building sites. That's why he has a tanned skin. As soon as he comes home, he turns on the television to watch the news, relaxes for a while, and then he takes a shower. In case my mother doesn't cook for the dinner yet, my father is very happy to join hand and help her. Talk about my mother. She is a 40-year-old primary school teacher. In every morning, she is the one who wakes up earliest to prepare the breakfast, clothes, and necessary things for my father, me, and my sister. After we leave home to work or study, my mother will have a quick breakfast and drive to the primary school teacher. After school, she runs fast to the market, buys some fresh food, and backs to home to cook lunch. My father doesn't come home in the noon, so only three of us eat and talk to each other during lunch. However, the lunch is still prepared very scrupulous. In general, my mother is a gentle, caring woman, and sometimes she is very strict. I have a younger sister who will be 8 years old in next October. My sister is pretty, docile, and hard study. On every weekend, I take her to the park to have fun, and we will buy some tasty ice creams. We quite close, and sometimes she makes me very angry because of her negligent habit. The last person in my family is me. I am a second year student. My schedule is changed frequently, and I am also trying to get a scholarship to study abroad in Canada next year. So I don't spend much time to my family. But anytime when I am free, I try to help my mother in household chores and takes care of my sister. In my family, each person has a different responsibility, but we always stand together to enjoy happiness moments, overcome the difficult time, and solve the problems. I understand that there is nothing that is more important than my family. I love my parents and my lovely sister so much.